This is one of Vince Cincinelli's favorite places.
I'm not the type of person that could sit in a chair and read a book all day.
But Vince hasn't always been able to live this kind of life.
I had my first heart attack when I was 40 years old.
He's had 3 heart attacks, bypass surgery, and a pacemaker and defibrillator implanted.
It was depressing. You know, I had a lot of anxiety with regard to it.
Struggling with congestive heart failure, his livelihood was slipping away. He couldn't get through more than 6 holes of golf.
It was just shortness of breath. I'd go a little bit and I'd have to stop, and then I'd come back and I'd have to take a nap.
In early 2009, Vince and his wife Nancy heard about adult stem cells, a promising new treatment for heart disease.
One of the important things is that we treat them as early as possible. You know, this is not something that should be considered a last resort.
Cardiologist Zanos Grekos is harnessing the power of adult stem cells to help damaged hearts.
Now, it doesn't necessarily cure the disease, and we're not going to return that organ to its normal state, but we'll repair it enough to improve the quality of life.
The treatment is low risk. Dr. Grekos and his colleagues draw blood and send it to a lab in Israel, where the stem cells are harvested, activated, and multiplied. Those cells are then re-injected into the heart.
The activated cells are much more potent, and we tend to see much more significant results in the patients that we treat, and consistently so.
There are different ways to harvest and deliver stem cells, but studies from major institutions like the University of Miami, Northwestern, and Texas Heart Institute all show promising results using stem cells in the heart. Dr. Grekos has seen the benefits firsthand with his patients.
It's not just a thought, but when we see their test results, it's real.
Vince's ejection fraction rate, a measure of how well his heart pumps blood, has risen from a risky 22 to a near normal 45.
This procedure has given me a far better quality of life.
He's confident the treatment has saved his life. It's also changed the way he lives it.
Now I play 18 with no problem, and probably could play another 9. I'm having a good time. Very fortunate.